couple grams. Lost 1,000, I ain't tripping, I can get it back. I took a loss and make it double like I'm doing magic. This ain't the only fucking trick that's coming out of act. I told my bitch to tighten up before I leave on it. I seen her play and made a way and put my team on it. I told bro I got your back, go ahead and lean on me. On the way this music shit don't work if niggas sleep on me. Shit, I go right back to the track and what the fiends wanted. Doggy said he wants you, got what you need on me. I told her baby fuck her nigga, tell my she love him. I told her baby I fell in love first time I seen money. What the liggery? I get tired of doing favors cause ain't shit free. I get tired of giving shit nobody give me. I put my foot up on their neck, can't let a bitch breathe. I told my bitch to tighten up, she acting like I need her. Bitch been doing psychic tricks tryna make me keep her. I feelin' cool 15 on some loose niggas. I pulled a doozy out of walkie in a 2-liter. I'ma fuck you right, baby you my type. That bitch what I like, let me fuck you with my ice. Let me eat that shit like rice, I'm a nasty nigga trite. Red bone shorty bright, I'm turned shorty hype. I can't leave without my pipe, let a nigga try to take me, I'ma send it